Greetings, my name is Menithal, and I'm going to show you the full steps on how to import MMD models as avatars into Hifi-Fidelity using the Community Blender plugin. The Blender plugin cleans up models and corrects avatar model joint orientations to match the required joints for Hifi-Fidelity. Let us go through the requirements. We are going to need a few things. If you already have everything installed, you may use the timestamps in the description to fast forward to locations of relevance. First, we are going to need Blender. You can get Blender from the Blender Foundation's website, blender.org. For now, we will use Blender 2.79b. If you are using Windows, you will need Bandizip to extract the models and retain the file names of textures on extraction. Using this with the right settings will save you from a massive headache with some MMD models. You will need to have PowerPi's MMD importer. The link you can find below. It installs a bit oddly, but you can just move the folder from the zip file to the Blender add-on directory as demonstrated here. We can now download the Hifi Community add-on. You can find the link to the releases in the description. On the GitHub release page, download the Hifi_tools zip file. Make note of where you are downloading the file to. With that out of the way, we can now proceed with the installation of the add-ons. Open up Blender. In Blender, open up File, go to User Preferences. In this window, go to the Add-ons tab. Here, we make sure to activate the add-ons in the following order. MMD_tools. Press the checkbox to activate the add-on. Add mesh, extra objects. After all that, we can then press the Add-on from File button. Navigate to where you downloaded the Hifi_tools zip file and press OK. Make sure to check the checkbox after adding the plugin to Blender. You will now have the Hifi Blender Community add-on installed. You should now be able to follow the instructions to import MMD models into Hifi-Fidelity from Blender. Before we use an MMD model as an avatar, please respect the artist's README or license. A lot of works are original creations, and some artists are apprehensive of using MMD models outside of Miku Dance or being modified for use in metaverses. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using an MMD model from DeviantArt, which was put together from various parts by lightning stars, called LRS Yukari. This is a good example avatar on fixing various issues you may encounter when importing MMD avatars into Hifi-Fidelity. After downloading the file, I'm going to extract the zip file using Bandizip. When extracting any MMD model, I suggest setting the code page to Japanese. This is to make sure the file names stay just as they are, especially if these file names have actual Japanese characters. Otherwise, Blender will not be able to find these textures. Open up the extracted folder. Make sure no file in the folder is hidden or marked as read-only. Sometimes this can cause issues when converting images into a compatible format. Next, open up Blender and import the MMD model. Go to File, Import, Miku Dance Model, PMD. Navigate to the extracted directory of the MMD model and select it. Before pressing Import Model File, we do not need Import Physics Hole, so holding down Shift while clicking on the tab should disable it. We will scale the model to 0.1. Do not rename bones with an LR suffix or use underscore. Disable translation. The plugin has most of the translations done. We can now proceed with the import of the MMD model into Blender. This may take some time. Once we get into Blender 3D view, we can proceed with converting the model into Hifi-Fidelity. First, let us save the scene. This will establish a conversion path for the textures, and the textures will be put into a relative directory to the blend file. In the 3D view, go to Tool Shelf. If this is not visible, you can unhide it by looking for the tiny plus sign on the upper left-hand side of the 3D view window. Go to the High Fidelity tab. Then, under Avatar Converter, press the MMD Avatar button. The process will take a while, and it will seem to be stuck during the vertex group removal. The Hi-Fi Blender plugin should now make this as painless as possible, but you will still need to have some knowledge on how to correct some common issues you may encounter in Blender. If you did not have any issues with the conversion, you may want to test your avatar. In the 3D view, select the armature in object mode, then switch to pose mode. Use the rotate tool, R, to check that the main bones such as arm, forearm, spine move fine along with the mesh. With this avatar, you may discover that the sleeves are not actually following the avatar's arms, as they are separate, so you will have to do some manual fixes with some of the tools provided. We are going to need to combine the sleeves to the arms of the avatar. Switch to Edit mode. Now select each part of the sleeve you want to connect to the arm bone, and select the arm bone last. Once you have done this, you can press the Combine Bones tool in the High Fidelity tool shelf, and this will combine all of the selected bones into the last selected bone. Repeat as necessary, and test until you are happy with the results. Note that for some avatars, you may need to do this also with the hair, as it is possible to have too many bones on an avatar, as animations are streamed in high fidelity instead of played back. After this, we will want to make some of the bones such as hair or these clothing behave loosely, like rigid bodies within high fidelity. Select each bone you want to make physical with the Select bone by pressing B. Once you have selected all the bones you want to make physical, press the Set Bone Physical button in the High Fidelity tool shelf. This will rename the bones to be flow compatible. Now, we will check that the material and texture assignment is correct. Switch the viewport shading to material. Everything will seem to be black. You need to add a light to the scene. Press Shift-A, scroll to lamp, and add a hemi-light to the scene. This will allow you to preview the model and check that all the textures bind properly. The plugin tries to handle most of the common issues during conversion, translating names and converting image formats to masked PNG from TGA and non-masked alpha images. We are now ready to export the model into high fidelity as an avatar. To do this, the Blender plugin adds a new feature to make this a bit easier. You can go to File, Export, Hi-Fi Avatar FST. Export this in its own folder. For this example, I'm going to embed textures, as this will allow you to skip uploading each image used with the same file structure. This will create a FST file and an FBX file in the same folder. For others to see the avatar, you will need to host these files in an externally accessible web service, such as Amazon S3, DigitalOcean Spaces, or even your own web server. After uploading the avatar to a web service, use the URL and have fun. Move around a bit and see how it animates. Try loading up the Flow app script link available in the description and seeing how the flow joints get simulated. You may need to do some adjustments to collision holes later on using the Flow app script, not covered in this tutorial video. I hope you found this video educational. Leave a like or dislike, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorial videos later on the line.